DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Let's see what we are there with. Yeah man, we're back with another raw cash reaction. Yeah man, y'all been requesting this shit hard, man. Nigga, yo, I dropped skipper, no prop. Bro, and these niggas going crazy like, yo, pick side, yo, react to raw cash, sweepstakes, yo, I'm like, damn nigga, of course I'm gonna react, bro. We ain't picking sides over here, gang. You see me? The only side we are pick are music. You see me what I'm saying? But anyway, gang, that's what I deal with today. Yeah man, we there with raw cash. Mr. States himself. You see me what I'm saying? The one named Sweepstakes. We'll check it out so a dog I deal with. Yeah man, a lot of people actually requested this one. Let me give some shout out to a few people. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, to the Dan Mafia my account active, you know now what their request. You see me what I'm saying? So I wanna shout out. I want to shout out user BG dog. You need to change your name because I can't. User BG7, you already know who you is, dog. And you again. And who else? Yeah, user BG7, you know who you is, bro. Nicholas Edwards, big up yourself. He also requested this one. You see me what I say? Yeah, a couple Dan Mafia member, man. But yeah, big up you guys. Shout out to y'all. Gang, yes, I appreciate the comments and everything. Yes, so keep active, drop a comment and you will get your shout out. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, man. Here, man, you don't know what time it is, man. We're about to jump right in the track right now.
Freeze Records.
Yes.
Yes.
Disaster music.
Clean, no man. They no must.
Lucky.
So that, hey, this look like LA do, you know. Yeah, in there though. This look, I saw LA look. You see me, the whole heap of hill and thing. You see me? So I saw I'm in LA, but so California, Cali and a whole look. You see me? I say, yeah, man.
States. Clean the fuck for with style you can done. Pretty girl like States, so my bust pan her tongue. Customized screen whiter than dove. But not be iPhone charger meltdown. Rabbi inna the rooms and still have to send funds. Them a fly pan plane, but a yard where States come and line the
right, that's so. We have to skip for this. Already, that's already a skip for this. Them a fly pan plane, but a yard the States come. Easy now. Alright. That's a circulars. You know, like big shots, but if you know the music, and you know, if you know the music and you keep up and you know the artist, you already know who that's directed at. You see me I say?
But not be iPhone charger meltdown. Rabbi inna the rooms and still have to send funds. Them a fly pan plane, but a yard where States come and line do shopping pan the villa me there for months.
Easy now, I line do shopping pan the villa me there for months, youth. I want to eh? They are foreign, but we doing foreign things, nigga. I'm here, man. Man, I can know say I should do my shopping, you know, brother. You see me, nobody feel say I don't a market, me gone, I don't a town, you know. Nobody feel I don't look a local drip this, you know. Nobody feel like, hey, it's a little cheap and clean, you know. But big up cheap and clean. You see me, I say nothing wrong with cheap and clean. You see me, cheap and clean can never go out of style. But let me just say, you see the man thing up now and you have to do anything, you know, more. So man, make you know, say, yo, nigga. Online I shop up on the villa, me there for days, you know. Be a package I come in and sit, you know. Overseas, I buy sit, you know. Hey boy.
How you believe them? Go run your road, turn your girl in a hole. Night them a sleep, States we up on a room. Believe them, go run your road, turn your girl in a hole. Night
visual nice, isn't it?
them a sleep, States we up on a room. Line up a lead, sweepstakes.
Alright.
Shipping the base, we are scared. Go run your road, turn your girl in a hole. Night them a sleep, States we up on a room.
States on the road to the girl in a
Go run your road, turn your girl in a hole. Night them a sleep, States we up on a room. Line up a lead, sweepstakes. Shipping the base, we are scared.
No, the man said.
Play hard up, we kill him 9 sleep. Road up in a candlelight when we are thief. Tie up it up in a
say rope and candlelight on my teeth.
play hard up, we kill him 9 sleep. Road
Yeah, whoa, hold on. Say client to play hard up, he kill him and sleep with.
He last skull play hard up, he kill him 9 sleep. Road up in
How
a
did
candlelight.
man? man, this serious. If they man call your phone, make sure you say just give them everything you have. You don't want them problem with blood cleat that.
He last skull play hard up, we kill him and sleep. Road open a candlelight when we are thief. Tie up it up and walk it on the leash. No victim lift up me mark it.
Man say tie up it up and walk it on the leash, brother. Cash. Keep it up. Like, hey, style. Come here, man.
Light when we are thief.
You get it. If you don't, you don't. You see?
Tie up it up and walk it on the leash. No victim lift up me mark it on the leads. Getting a spirit new gun pan.
New victim mark it on the leads, man. You. Are you next? You next on the chopping list. You see me? I say, on to you, man.
Up me mark it on the leads. Getting a spirit near gun pan our knees. Real jagger no charge for raise your CV. How we say cash bed no code in our street. To no go and sing song no tell me no code on your road. Turn your girl in a hole. Night them asleep.
Don't tell me about no mish. Skipper, are you man I talk to? Skipper Bob. Mr. Scamming over music. Mr. Idle me start sing song. You not take that. Don't tell me say you not take that. Me know you not take that, Skipper. Night time, hell boy, me know you not take that. You see what I'm saying? Skipper, come in.
States we up in a room, line up in lead sweepstakes. Shipping the base, we are scared. I go on the road, turn your girl in a hole. Night them asleep, states we up in a room, line up in lead sweepstakes. Shipping the base, we are scared. Game made for real, no PlayStation. Bingo broke the spell, motivation. From you no represent states, then you a waste man. Say,
whoa. That. And I represent the states, you know, yeah, waste man, you know. You see me? But him say the only way you know waste man is if he's part of the Dan Mafia, you know. That's all me I say, you know. So if he's not part of the Dan Mafia family, you know, you don't know you're a waste man, you know. I know me say so, or Cash say so. You see me? So if you need the like and subscribe button and become part of the family, you're a waste man. You see me? Or waste woman. You see me? Alright.
Game made for real, no PlayStation. Bingo broke the spell, motivation. From you no represent states, then you a waste man. Self-employed with a laptop for the program. Recipe span stock for copy.
Self-employed with a laptop pro. Hey boy, come on.
And she now each figure top for me say portal 25, so I payroll for the station. I go on the road, turn your girl in a hole. Night them asleep, states we up in a room. Line up in lead sweepstakes. Shipping the base, we are scared.
What you mean, man? Come in, man.
Go on the road, turn your girl in a hole. Night them asleep, states we up in a room. Line up in lead sweepstakes. Shipping the base, we are scared. States.
This is a vibe. Playlist tune. I mean, man.
Lucky. Yeah, man.
Yo, easy.
See, I night them batty boy, they say me no want a boy I say states, you hear that? To no check his stats, man. Can't pay off for true.
That's a brawl in this, right? That's a nigga. You see a night time and what easy, no?
I say states, you hear that?
That's a night time, I can't say states.
Yeah, man, see, I night them batty boy, they say me no want a boy I say states, you hear that? To no check his stats, man. Can't pay off for true.
Check his stats.
Yo, Kuya watching our creative
Try
clip
and
shoot the
feel
one
with
hear
it.
that.
Cho! Oh man, Cash. I say I word me J. Yeah man. Cash back at it again with another skipper this. Well, this is not a skipper, this is a song he made, but he also did skipper in it. You see me I say? Cash, keep it up. Hey. This little feud could build up in something, you know. You know, if they keep going like this, build up. You see me? Skipper going hard. You see me? Cash coming in the game and he's going hard for just, you know, coming in the game. So keep it up, Cash. You see me I say? Yeah, Skipper, keep doing your thing, man. This could build up, man. Y'all could be on Sting one day, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't say if they keep it up for the rest of the year, this year, If not this year, maybe next year. This year's Sting, Skipper versus Cashh, that would be crazy. That would be crazy. That would be crazy. The States, a night time out. Oh, come on, man. All of the bob them out. Come on, man. Yeah, that would be crazy. The scammer clash. Oh, Lord. That would be nice, man. Yeah, that would be crazy. Sting with that partner. They would get more crowd than they think they would. They would actually get more crowd that year than they think they would. A lot of people listen to Skipper, you know, and a lot of people listen to Cashh. These guys are big underground. It's me, and people need to remember, so there's an underground dancehall. There's mainstream dancehall and underground dancehall. That's like how they used to have. There always been mainstream hip hop and underground hip hop. In Jamaica, we never really have underground dancehall like that because so much artists wasn't getting the opportunity or getting the break. Cause no, you see me, I say there was a lot of gatekeeping going on. So all of the artists and where the ear was actually, you know, mainstream. But anyway, yeah, I'm not hold up no much longer. You don't know. Till next time. So let's discuss it. Drop your comments, drop your requests for like a show the artists all over support. Don't know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.